Connections have to work, not sometimes, but always. That is what IMW stands for. For more than 3 decades, high-quality cable assembly and custom control cabinet construction have shaped the work at IMW. Here, a high level of in-house production is combined with continuously optimized processes along the entire value chain. Because technical challenges require solutions that follow their own path.
In our industry, you cannot really speak of just one standard solution, simply because cable assembly is customer-specific, as we serve industries from A to Z. For example, medical technology or agricultural technology. We truly make sure that we can serve every sector. And for us, it is also important that we can scale our processes without difficulty.
Scalability does not happen by chance. It requires clear processes and a digital structure that connects all production steps. For this purpose, IMW has developed its own software.
We have many years of experience in cable assembly and control cabinet construction. We wanted to transfer these years of experience into a software solution, and we achieved this with our SmartShifter, drawing from our experience and simplifying our work.
The software developed in-house creates decisive added value for IMW throughout the entire project process. Internally, it ensures clear structures, reliable control, and dependable forecasting of ongoing projects in all phases of implementation. Materials, tools, and production are precisely coordinated and digitally managed. AI applications support the processes in the background, connect individual work steps, and make workflows efficient and fully traceable at any time. For customers, this means transparent insights, reliable coordination, and continuous support even after the order has been placed. However, technological progress is not determined by systems alone, but by the people who shape them with experience and commitment.
Our employees form the heart of our company, because behind every cable assembly, there is a dedicated employee from many different cultures. We place great value on respectful interaction and are committed to the continuous development of our employees. We also offer apprenticeships and internship opportunities, and therefore maintain close exchange with educational institutions.
The development of a company does not happen overnight. It grows through experience, through every project, and through the people who take responsibility. This is how the foundation for the next step is created.
Of course, we took our time with our digital transformation, but in retrospect, we can proudly say that we succeeded. We have advanced the digital transformation so well that we are now attractive for global markets.
New opportunities arise where experience meets the future. IMW. The intelligent connection.